In the Asset Template Designer, I'm going to select the template to edit and click Add Widget. Our widget type will be dataset. Let's name it Trips and add its first column. Let's add the pre-existing field date. Next, let's add a column for destination. That doesn't exist, so let's create it ourselves. Since we only take the car to 4 different cities, let's use the drop-down menu functionality and include our 4 options. You can also allow your users to add their own options. Let's leave it off for now. Great, now we'll click Create and Add Field. Now let's open an actual asset and see how that dataset looks. And here it is. Let's add a few entries.